Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my journey, you know that I've made a few videos featuring the original HOVERAir X1 flying camera. It's the device that always stays in my camera bag thanks to its compact design, ease of use, and overall practicality. But today, I'm thrilled to introduce the massive upgrade we've all been waiting for, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. I've been using this flying camera for several months now, and I'm very impressed. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's one of the biggest leaps I've seen in the generation-to-generation product upgrade. Let's start with the unboxing. Everything is packed neatly and it feels like you're opening something premium. I have the X1 PROMAX combo and the power case, and right off the box, the flying camera comes in this sleek travel case. It's well designed to securely hold the main unit along with a dual charging cradle and 2 batteries, a power brick, and other accessories. It's compact, organized, and perfect for travel. I love the aromatic insert. It's a nice touch that keeps the case smelling fresh. Along with the travel case, you also get a pouch for additional storage, a USB Type-C cable, some paperwork, and even a sample piece of a hem frame. It's a small detail, but it's great to actually feel the durability of the material that protects the propellers. The power case was designed with durability and convenience in mind, ensuring the PROMAX stays charged and secure no matter where you're headed. It holds over 2 additional charges and it operates in temperatures as low as -20°C. Slip your flying camera inside and it will automatically enter sleep mode while charging, so it's ready to fly again when you are. In addition, I got this really cool accessories case which keeps everything organized and easy to find. I also have a handlebar mount, a strap, and a set of ND filters which are especially nice for controlling exposure in bright lighting conditions. This little powerhouse might just redefine flying cameras. Let's dive into why this device has become a game changer for me. First things first, the X1 PROMAX is ready to shoot in under 3 seconds. With a simple touch or voice command, it takes off right from your palm, and when you're done, it lands safely back into your hand. This is perfect for creators like me who need to capture moments on the go without wasting time. The foldable, pocket-sized design is a standout feature. Weighing just 192.5 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, and the propellers are fully protected by a durable hem frame. The new model is quite bigger than the original X1 due to the added functionality, but it still easily fits into a jacket pocket. It's a step up in build quality, feeling solid and reliable while maintaining that ultra-portable form factor. And check this out, the X1 PROMAX now features a digital screen and intuitive one-touch buttons that let you change flight modes or adjust settings for each mode directly on the device. Compared to the X1, which I've been using for a long time, the new display is much more intuitive and informative than the simple interface on the X1. It clearly shows the mode you're in and all the basic settings, making it incredibly user-friendly. It also has USB-C port, 64GB of internal storage, and a micro SD card slot for expansion. While the chassis is slightly bigger than the original X1, these upgrades more than make up for the size increase. It's still pocketable and so convenient to travel with. Now, let's talk about the showstopper. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is the world's first 8K flying camera. Yes, you heard it right. It's the only 8K flying camera under $1,000 US, and the video quality is just phenomenal. Whether it's a bright sunny day, a cloudy afternoon, or even evening, the 8K footage captured by the X1 PROMAX remains impressively crisp and vibrant. The level of detail is simply outstanding. From the sharpness in textures to the subtle nuances in colors, this camera consistently delivers professional-grade video quality. Even on dark and cloudy days, the footage maintains its high quality with minimal noise and excellent dynamic range. With 14 stops of dynamic range and a wide 107-degree field of view, every shot feels immersive and cinematic. Honestly, the video quality is not just a step up, it's a huge leap forward compared to the original X1. This alone makes upgrading an easy decision for anyone serious about content creation. For me, 4K 120 FPS video with tracking ability in each flight mode is a complete game changer. I'm a huge fan of slow motion footage. It adds a dramatic effect and feel to the videos, making them stand out. The video quality is absolutely amazing, and this feature takes it to the next level. For instance, I have a few DJI drones that can also record in 4K 120 FPS, but their tracking feature doesn't work in this particular frame rate, which to me is kind of a deal breaker. With the X1 Pro Max, the 4K 120 FPS works seamlessly across all flight modes, combining slow motion brilliance with advanced tracking. This integration is another game-changing feature for me, and it solidifies the X1 Pro Max as an unmatched tool for a solo cinematic content creation. Another killer feature of the X1 Pro Max is its ability to follow and track subjects accurately and reliably, even if they are moving fast. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or engaged in other high-energy activities, this flying camera stays locked on with precision. With a follow speed of 42 km per hour and an instantaneous tracking speed of up to 60 km per hour, it truly feels like having your own flying camera operator. The advanced AI algorithm ensures precise tracking even when the subject moves erratically or bursts into short sprints. It is perfect for capturing dynamic activities like sports or fast-paced adventures, delivering consistently high-quality footage every time. I tested the level 5 wind resistance by the seaside during winter, where it's extremely windy and cold. The X1 Pro Max performed exceptionally well, staying stable and accurate even in harsh conditions, making it ideal for challenging environments. One of the most exciting upgrades is the Omni Terrain system with accurate collision detection. The X1 Pro Max is designed to navigate seamlessly over water, snow, cliffs, and low-light environments, capturing stunning footage with ease. The collision detection is highly reliable, ensuring safe operation even in complex scenarios. With the original X1, exploring these environments wasn't possible because it lacked the Omni Terrain system. This is a massive leap forward, allowing you to confidently film in places that were previously off-limits. Let's talk about the advanced AI flight modes and a nice HOVERair X1 app, which makes this device even more powerful. The app gives you access to over 10 customizable flight modes, offering a wide range of creative possibilities. Whether you're looking for cinematic shots or simple tracking, the X1 Pro Max has you covered. Here are the flight modes I tested: hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird's eye, dolly track, side track, and ski mode. My personal favorite is definitely the dolly track mode. The camera tracks me from the front, creating dynamic, professional-looking shots that are perfect for product showcases or storytelling in my content creation. Each flight mode is highly customizable. You can adjust settings like distance, altitude, shooting mode, resolution, frame rate, and much more. This level of control ensures you get the perfect shot every time, no matter the situation. The app is packed with features that make your workflow seamless. You can toggle sound recording, optimize image settings, update firmware, adjust voice settings, and even use Find My Hover feature if you ever lose track of your device. The app also lets you preview videos directly on your phone and download any clip you want at very fast speeds. The Smart Preview mode lets you see what the camera sees for perfect framing, and the app includes a manual control option for drone-like flying. However, I rarely use it since the advanced AI flight modes handle everything so well. These flight modes, combined with the app's intuitive interface, make the X1 Pro Max a true game changer for creators like myself for capturing cinematic, high-quality footage effortlessly. The HOVERair X1 Pro Max is an outstanding flying camera that stands out for its impressive features and versatility. The 8K video quality is simply stunning, capturing incredible detail and vibrant colors, while the 4K 120 FPS mode delivers dramatic and high-quality slow-motion footage. Also, with the Omni Terrain system and accurate collision detection, it's capable of navigating challenging environments like water, snow, and cliffs with ease. Its compact and portable design, combined with an array of accessories and easy-to-use controls, make it a great tool for creators on the go. Whether you're filming cinematic shots, action sequences, or simply capturing everyday moments, the X1 Pro Max delivers exceptional results. For those upgrading from the original X1, the enhancements in functionality and video quality make it well worth it. But even on its own, the X1 Pro Max is a top-tier device that is perfect for content creators or anyone looking for a powerful and portable flying camera. It's definitely staying in my camera bag, so expect to see a lot of content on my channel created using the X1 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and content. Until next time, and happy flying!